Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Luma Key effect in Kdenlive. So there is one really simple method to add this effect to the video. So first we need to create a new project and we need to add and drag and drop our video to the timeline. Then I need to click on my video to select it and I need to go to Effects tab. And now on search field I need to type something like Luma Key. You should be able to see this option in Alpha Mask and Keying settings. So we need to drag and drop this effect to our video, and after that it will be successfully added here. Of course, you can check the settings of this effect in Effect and Composition Stack settings. So how you see on default, it doesn't look really great. If you want to modify it, we need to change the threshold. On this case, I recommend you to decrease the value of threshold. Then shapes will be better visible here. For example, I will set it on 85. So now it looks really great. Of course, we can add the slope if you want. For example, I will add it to 10. And you can modify the pre-threshold Luma level. Everything depends on your preferences. I will add here 10. And I will decrease the post-threshold Luma level to this one. So now it looks really great in my opinion. If you click play button, you'll be able to check the results of this effect. So in my opinion, it is a really great effect that I recommend you to know. If I helped you to use Luma Key in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.